Alright guys, welcome to another video. I am back in the 911 GTS. As you know, I have a 2015 model 911 GTS 991.1 and I'm the original owner, so I had it since new. And in this video, I'm going to give you an update on my latest service and updates on the car. The biggest thing is a change in our summer tires in this car. What came stock with this car were Pirelli P0s, and I've been updating them back and forth over the years, you know, because all four tires never wear out at the same time. The rears go first, then the fronts last longer, but now finally all four needed to be replaced, so I decided to switch from Pirelli P0s to Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. And I've been ripping and running on this really tight, twisty road all morning, and I am so pleased with the performance of these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. That in combination with the chassis of the 911 GTS is just such a great combination. Look at how it just handles these turns. Oh my gosh, the car just sticks like glue. It sticks like glue. I don't know if it's because, you know, I'm just getting off of the winter tires, which of course are, you know, the rubber compound is totally different, thicker tread blocks, you know, a lot of sipes, and believe it or not, the ride on the winter tires is a lot cushier. And now with these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, there's a bit more sharpness to the ride, but that's normal with summer performance tires. And it feels really good, but it's the level of grip that these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires have. Look at this. It just holds on like glue. There's been a big improvement in the level of grip and feedback from the steering wheel. Even though this is an electric steering wheel, there's just more information coming back, oddly. But boy, I tell you, on these nice twisty roads, this car just handles amazing on these new tires. So I am super impressed with these. Other things that I did with this update was the rear disc. Oh wow, look at this road. Oh my God, this is so good. Hold on, hold on. See how the tires just hold on and stick on. There's just no letting go. This is such a good combination. These tires feel great on this car. Wow. Other things that I did in this update is the rear discs and pads needed to be replaced. So I replaced those. As you know, this car has torque vectoring, and as you know, it uses the rear brakes to help with the steering and the turn in, so it's got a really sharp turn in. So the rear brakes needed to be replaced, and I did that. The other thing I had done, a full alignment. After taking the winter tires off and putting on a brand new set of summer tires, I wanted to make sure that the wheels were perfectly aligned. They were probably fine all along, but you know, I went on ahead and had an alignment performed as well. So those were the major updates, but the star of this update are these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. And of course, this GTS still puts a smile on my face. You know, oftentimes I talk about, should I upgrade to a GT3, a 991.2 GT3? And that's still one of my dream cars. But then you get back into this GTS on a road like this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It is so good. Look at this. You just lean on the tires and you know that they have the grip. The chassis dynamics are so awesome. And this has a PDK car. I have to say, you know, I was thinking my next car should be a manual, like a 991.2 GT3 manual, but this PDK is the bomb. I have to say, on this country road, I don't miss the manual. I don't miss it. It's so good. It knows the right gear, and I'm in sport setting. Of course, you get all the crackles and pops from the exhaust. The engine, the transmission knows where to keep the engine in its sweet spot. So this PDK transmission continues to impress. Combination of these nice new tires. It's just amazing. Oh. have the car set in sport. Look how it just takes these decreasing radius turns. Oh, goodness. Look at this turn right here. Yep, it just held right on. Just held right on. Yeah, as you can see, the roads are very bumpy on this back road, and the GTS handles the road pretty well. The suspension has enough give in it, even though it's in sport mode. But look at that. Look at how this GTS just hangs on. You can throw any curve at it, and it's just awesome. I do think that, yes, the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires are adding like a next level of grip, but this chassis is just so good. It makes me question, why change from this to a GT3? Although, you know, because I'm not always on a track, and on public roads like this, wow, what a great combination. Porsche 911 GTS, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Oh. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. I'm just going to continue having fun with this car. It's a blast, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe driving, everyone.